हाय। मुझे अभी भी इट्स माय 8th वीडियो और मुझे इंट्रोडक्शन करना नहीं आया। जनाब, आज है सैटरडे नाइट और आई हैड अ रियली बिजी डे because I had to go to multiple places, arrange everything for tomorrow. कल मेरी वर्कशॉप है for black canvas and I'm nervous. Let's see how it's gonna go because I have no idea. This is my second workshop in Karachi. I've had multiple before in Dubai, but this time it's in Karachi and it's always very nervous. Ha jati hu main zyada when they're like desi people and it's all my social anxiety, everything, all my insecurities just kick in. But let's see how it goes. Inshallah it will go good. I have to make abhi बैठकर इसके worksheets. I was supposed to do it earlier but I didn't get time at all, so it's a last minute thing. It's a last minute preparation which I'm gonna do right now, एक दिन पहले, because procrastination king.
Doubts have disappeared under street lights. Couldn't give a single fuck about those hard times. It's just delirium. My old friends on shitty drugs in a nightclub. I'm sitting in the dark, singing so loud. It's just delirium. Waiting here for you to come, will you save me? There's no sense in all I've done, but I won't change it, yeah. It's just delirium. Well, my homies came around with a six-pack, told me about some shit like football and Bob Rocky, yeah. It's just delirium. All my doubts have disappeared under street lights. Never gave a damn about any hard times. It's just delirium. It's just delirium of a lonely man.
Hi. Hello. So I had a beautiful week, like my Saturday, Sunday, and even my Monday today was beautiful. I am so super happy for the way my workshop turned out. I was super nervous, you know, whatever I was feeling, and I'm so happy. सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा हुआ. I am just super thankful to the beautiful family and bunch of amazing friends that I have. Thank you very much for supporting me. I wish you